Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited welcomes you to the video testimonial presentation. This particular customer presented a medical report suggesting enlarged liver, prostate enlarged, bladder residue, ileocolitis, it's a kind of Crohn's disease, and also presented a stone in the gallbladder. The customer consumed Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited company's nutritional supplement products and also followed up with changes suggested in lifestyle and diet. After 5 weeks, the customer presented the second report which suggested that the liver is normal, prostate normal, bladder no urine residue, ileocolitis has been improved, and the gallbladder stone is still persisting. As you know, this difference has happened in just 5 weeks. Here we see in the first report the person has a creatinine level of 7.7 and hemoglobin at 12.5. In 5 weeks, the customer presented with a second report suggesting a drop in creatinine level at 5.9 and an increase in hemoglobin at 13.7. Here you can notice the difference in the reports presented by a dengue patient whose platelet count had dropped to 83,000, and in 4 days you see the second report was showing a platelet count of 312,000, and this difference happened in just 4 days. This lady presented a report suggesting that both the ovaries are bulky, and with the consumption of Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited company supplements, she presented the second report after 4 weeks suggesting both the ovaries are normal in shape and size. This report is of a child who is 6 years old and has a thyroid problem with the TSH reading at 12.61, and in 9 weeks her thyroid levels have come down to normal range of 5.24. The first report was presented with a very high TSH level of a thyroid patient at 23.48, and with the suggestions of diet change and lifestyle changes along with Aizen Lifestyle products, the thyroid levels have come down to a normal range in about 8 weeks. Yet again, you see another customer with a thyroid problem. The TSH levels were 129.24. In 30 weeks, you can see that the second report show normal thyroid range of 3.76. This report is of a lady with infertility problem and has conceived in 6 weeks of taking products of Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited. On your screen, you are seeing two couples who are suffering from infertility. For 12 years and 16 years of marriage, they had not conceived. After consuming Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited company's products for a span of 6 to 10 months, respectively, they conceived. This particular customer has gone through surgery for cancer removal. Post-surgery, the area of surgery started to get infected. The person consumed our products for about 2 weeks, and the difference is there to see. This lady had developed very bad bed sores. You can see they have improved within a span of 2 weeks. You can see the improvement of gangrene in a span of 6 weeks. Yet another improvement of gangrene problem over a period of 16 weeks. This 8-year-old girl suffering from psoriasis, and you see the improvement in a span of 6 weeks. This is a report of a person suffering from double breast cancer. The first report suggests mammography reveals a malignant tumor in both breasts. In 14 weeks, you see the improvement in the second report suggesting mammography reveals a dense mass with microcalcification in the left breast. Bilateral fibroadenesis is seen more on the left. In this first report, you see the impression as multiple secondaries in the liver, while the second report suggests that the liver is normal in size and outline. The improvement has happened in 2 weeks' time. You can definitely see the anti-aging results of our products. The difference you see has happened in about 6 weeks. Again, an anti-aging result. The difference has happened in about 8 weeks. Another anti-aging improvement you are seeing in a lady 65 years old, and the results are visible in 4 weeks time. You can see the improvement in skin disorder on this 11-year-old boy, and the improvement you see has happened in 4 weeks. The improvement in a leukoderma customer, the improvement you see is in about 4 weeks. Improvements in a varicose veins customer, the improvements that you see is in about 4 weeks. This customer has experienced a weight loss of 3.5 kgs in 2 weeks time. This customer has experienced a weight loss of 18 kilograms in 12 weeks time. This is of a customer with a thyroid problem and obesity. With the suggestions of changes in lifestyle, diet and consuming Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited Company supplements, he has experienced a weight loss of 30 kgs and a total improvement of his thyroid problem. This lady has experienced a weight loss of 7 kgs in 4 weeks. If you notice the good thing about weight loss products in Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited Company, it is that you can see a certain kind of glow in the person's skin and overall health during the process of weight loss. He has experienced a weight loss of 3 kgs in 4 weeks. This gentleman has experienced a weight loss of 3 kgs in 4 weeks. This gentleman presented himself with psoriasis all over the body. By consuming Aizen supplements along with changes in lifestyle and diet, he has seen a complete change in his health, and the results that you see has happened in a span of 4 weeks. This gentleman has been suffering psoriasis for the last 7 years and has experienced a lot of ill health and discomfort due to his psoriasis in the past. The improvement that you see here has happened in a span of 12 weeks. This customer presented himself with scalp psoriasis and fungal growth in his hair and on the scalp. On our suggestion, he consumed Aizen Lifestyle Private Limited Company supplements, and the results are here to see in a span of 4 weeks. Psoriasis on the knees, improvement in a span of 8 weeks. This 11-year-old kid suffering from psoriasis, the improvement that you see is in 4 weeks. This 9-year-old child suffering from psoriasis, the improvement that you see is in 4 weeks. Yet another psoriasis customer, the improvement that you see is in 4 weeks. Psoriasis on the neck, improvement in 4 weeks. The first image shows a person suffers from burns due to stove burst. Post plastic surgery, the skin was still uneven. Using Aizen products for 24 weeks, you see improvement. Another person suffered from burns. You can see the improvement in a span of 4 weeks. Yet another person suffered from burns. You can see the improvement in a span of 4 weeks. Fungal infection improvement in a span of 1 week. Yet another fungal infection customer. This child has been suffering from this problem for over 1.5 years. The results that you see has happened in a span of 2 weeks. Black patches, pimples and acne on the skin. You can see the improvement in 4 weeks. Improvement in a customer suffering from depression and hair loss in 8 weeks time. Customer suffering from black patches on the skin. Improvement in a span of 4 weeks. You can see the improvement in a diabetes customer over a period of 6 weeks. You can see the improvement in a diabetes customer over a period of 3 weeks. You can see the improvement in diabetes and cholesterol customer over a period of 7 weeks. Please note that the improvement and time for improvement varies from person to person.